French philosopher, mathematician, inventor, and physicist of much influence in the world, Blaise Pascal once said, "Nature is an infinite sphere of which the center is everywhere and the circumference nowhere." Meaning, nature actually has always been one of the infinite and eternal and immortal realities and conditions of all time that's created by not only God but also by the universe and the cosmos in one way or another, because our planet, as well as we human beings, the living organisms, alongside the different heavenly bodies and the atmosphere and nature also came into being because of the universe and its different events and collisions and supernovas. So all of those factors were responsible and they paved the way for our existence, alongside all the other things that we are able to interact with, see, and touch in one way or another. So nature has always been infinite. There's just no question about it. And we do not know where the center of nature is. We can definitely find out the center of anything that we create and that we invent on the basis or by our own knowledge, intelligence, science, technology, etc. But nature cannot be manipulated, controlled, or contained by anyone. And it's also impossible to find the center in it because the center of universe may be non-existent. It does not exist anywhere. And because the center of nature is virtually everywhere in the world as far as we can see and decipher with our eyes, understanding, and knowledge and science. Nature is everywhere, and so is its center, but its circumference, its end, its disruption cannot be found anywhere in the world. So nature in that sense can be very easily considered to be one of the greatest fundamental, necessary, and imperative realities in the world that helped humankind and in its continuation in one way or another, and also in making us better, wiser. It taught us many lessons of wisdom, character, and change and transformation that we sometimes refuse to either notice or learn, obviously because of our ignorance, arrogance, aggression, frustration, ego, pride, vanity, etc. But nature is the ultimate teacher and the greatest master of all time that we must try to learn from and emulate in our lives so that we can become better literally in our lives, and not from necessarily our own experience but also in our